I had a dream to become an artist in 1 year. So the idea was to draw every day for a year. It started January of last year but had a lot of doubts cause I'm a 30-year-old with no art background. And as a complete beginner, I didn't know where to start. So here's the plan. Just freaking draw. I eventually stumbled upon tutorials and followed them. The problem was I couldn't draw every day. It was hard balancing work, life, and drawing. And to tell you honestly, there were times where I was just too tired and didn't have any time to draw for days. So I pushed myself, pushed and pushed and pushed, committed to the dream of being an artist one day. So I'd make time. Not find time to draw, but make time for drawing. Sometimes even waking up in the middle of the night to draw boxes. Boxes in different angles, perspectives, and sizes. Then I drew more boxes. And when I was about to throw up, I drew more boxes. Hundreds of them. At about the middle of the year, I thought about drawing something I grew up with. The 151 first gen Pokemons. But it was hard. Sometimes I couldn't even finish a Pokemon for a few days while continuing to practice the fundamentals of drawing. I was trying to color them and I realized I was all over the place, trying to do everything all at once. So I had to step back and take it slow. So I went back to the fundamentals. The struggle to success is brutal. You need tenacity to chase after what you want. Just like in anything in life. So, more boxes. Then, I eventually moved on from drawing boxes to poses. Few months of drawing hundreds of poses in different perspectives. And when I couldn't draw any more poses, I drew more. And more and more. Commitment plays a huge factor in achieving anything in life. If you're committed to do something and disciplined in actually doing it, I'd probably say you would achieve what you strive for. But the worst part is I felt like I wasn't improving. Hundreds of boxes and poses didn't give me the dopamine hit I wanted to, and I felt like I wasn't really getting anywhere. Still, I forced myself into drawing. Sitting or lying in the bed didn't matter at this point. In some cases, I draw with a pen and paper when I didn't have any access to my iPad. The important thing is to pick up a pen, digital or not, and actually start drawing. I was fed up with the poses, so I tried drawing faces. Again, hundreds of faces, different angles and perspectives again and again and again. And every face didn't look like what I wanted it to be. So I studied the references I was drawing. Shapes and proportions of each one, the characters I admired, the inspirations I had growing up. I was getting better, but not really realizing it. Until eventually, I started learning how to draw by reference. I was improving and was slowly picking it up. I was seeing the results. Because of that, it inspired me more to do more and more. Of course, it wasn't always good, but I saw the improvement. The past year was a great journey and I'm glad to have done it. So the question is, did I really pull it off? Am I now an artist after a year? Maybe, I don't know. But what I know is, anything anyone wants to do in life is doable if they put in the hard work, time, and commitment. I hope I can be an inspiration to anyone wanting to achieve something. So what's next for me? I guess more drawing and trying to improve more. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. By the way, here's a few drawings of what I've done in the past year.